Okay, now I can't find the video. Here we go. Hey, real quick, just a quick walkthrough on the process that I want you to use now for focus notes. Actually, it's going to be kind of like this for most of my projects, but for focus notes for sure. We're just going to go Google Docs on these. And so what you're going to do is in the front of every focus notes assignment, regardless of whatever my class is, this is my government A class, but I created a video. That's this video that I'm creating. So that will actually be here. I know that's sort of weird, but but it's pretty straightforward. If you've used Google Docs before, it'll be a no-brainer. Download your focus notes here, meaning here. Your this click right here. You're going to click this, copy, complete them, making sure to share them with me, and then move on to your discussion. You will not be able to move on until the notes are completed, and make sure to read all the directions. There are multiple steps in completing your focus notes and receiving full credit. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to go to this, you're going to click this button, and you'll get a copy of the document. So then you're going to make a copy of this document, and it'll be yours. Okay. And the very first thing I think you should do is go up to the top here and put in your name. Your name. Just kidding. Put in your real name there. Okay. And this will be your copy of these focus notes. That way, in fact, I would go all the way back to here. And so, your name, lesson 24, focus notes, Federalist. That way, when you go to give this to me, if you submit it, like create a document out of it or something like that, you'll always know what it is. Put your name and all that goodness here, and then go through, and go through these focus notes. And then, like I talked about in my lesson on completing focus notes, you're going to do these different steps a different way. And then the summary and the application are actually going to become your discussion. So don't forget that. But that's good stuff to remember. Here, back to this page, then you'll be able to submit it. So from here, you can just share it with me. But I think when we go to submit, I mean, you'll just be able to submit it as your assignment. You'll just you can just enter your URL here, make a copy of that, enter this right here, Control C it or highlight it, go copy, okay, and then over here when you go to submit the assignment, you'll get a text box and you just paste that in there, or you can put it here, or your other option, like all this you need to know, is you can download it as a Word doc or a PDF document. Don't do any of these other ones, although I can read that one, but don't do this one. That's annoying. So either do a Word doc, PDF, but more easier is just make a copy of the URL, which is this guy up here, and then paste it in the text box. I can't show that to you because I can't see that on my side. But then when I get it, it'll look like, let me show you somebody that it'll look like this. It'll either be a copy like this, or it will be a shared copy. Let me see somebody else that's turned it in. But anyway, it'll come to me like that. So hope that makes sense. And boom, there we go.